इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. Every month to 2 months, I do a bit of deep cleaning in my kitchen. I don't have any specific area pre-decided. I simply clean the spots that I feel need some attention. So in today's video, I will be cleaning some areas of my kitchen using DIY cleaning solutions. Let's get started. Last week, if you watched my meal prep video, you might remember that I made tamarind paste. After making the paste, I had some leftover tamarind waste, which I stored in the fridge so I could use it later for cleaning. So first I have taken a bucket of hot water and added the leftover tamarind, salt and dish liquid to it. My hob burners have gotten quite dirty, so I will soak them in the tamarind water for a while. Tamarind water is acidic, which reacts with the brass burners and helps clean them thoroughly. Since the burners will take some time to soak, I will clean the iron stands and hob in the meanwhile. Recently, I came across these mesh cloths online, which seemed quite interesting, so I ordered a pack for a trial. I'll use one to clean the iron stands, and I must say it's working really well. Because of its rough texture, it is very helpful in scrubbing corners where sponges and metal scrubs often can't reach. Now that the stands are clean, I will quickly clean the hob. For this, I will use my regular DIY kitchen cleaner, which is made of 1 cup water, 1 cup vinegar, 2 tablespoons dish liquid. A lot of grease and dirt accumulates near the burners, so I will clean them using the same mesh cloth. It is important not to use too much water while cleaning the hob, as water can seep inside causing blockages or even damaging it. So using dry and wet cloths is the best way to clean it. Hob cleaning is done. I will finish cleaning the burners later. I have quite a lot of leftover tamarind, so I will use it to clean my temples, copper and brass utensils which have become oxidized. For temple utensils, I have taken a separate mesh cloth. The process is simple. Just take a little tamarind, mix it with salt and scrub it well on the utensils. You can already see the difference. But for the best results, it is good to let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I scrubbed it a little more and then cleaned it using dish liquid. And look at the difference. Isn't it amazing? If you don't have tamarind, you can also use vinegar or lemon, which I have shown in one of my previous videos. Next, I need to clean my air fryer. While I regularly clean the basket, which is quite easy, the interior also gets dirty over time and needs deep cleaning every 1 or 2 months. First, I will start with the basket. I am adding baking soda, dish liquid and hot water to it and letting it sit for a while so that the stuck grease loosen up. To clean the inside of the air fryer, I am using a mixture of tamarind, dish liquid, baking soda and hot water. I will apply this mixture inside the air fryer using a scrub sponge and leave it for 10 minutes. After that, I will scrub it well and you can see how easily the build-up grease starts coming off. Once it's clean, I will wipe it thoroughly with the damp cloth. Now I have tilted the air fryer to clean the side walls using the same process. Next, I will turn it upside down to clean the top section where the heating element is located. Since water should not enter this part, I will apply a little dish liquid to a damp cloth and carefully clean the grease buildup. Removing brown grease marks from this area is a bit tricky without scrubbing or using excess water, so I am wiping it gently with a damp cloth. If water seeps inside, it can damage the air fryer, so this step requires extra care. And here we go, the air fryer is now completely clean. You can also use vinegar instead of tamarind for this process. Now you can see the lower wall and wall part have been cleaned properly. I didn't do hard scrubbing on the upper part, just cleaned it with the cloth. Now let's clean the basket. Since it has been soaking for a while, the grease buildup is loosened and I can easily clean it using a sponge pad and dish liquid. That's it. My air fryer is pretty much clean now. While I regularly clean the outer surface and basket, this deep interior cleaning was long overdue, and I'm glad it's finally done. The burners have been soaking in tamarind water for quite a while now. Let's check how they are doing. Oh wow, they have already cleaned up quite a bit. Now I will take some leftover tamarind pulp, mix it with a little salt and scrub all the burners thoroughly. They are now completely clean and shiny. I will just rinse them with water and dry them properly. Since wet burners don't allow the gas to ignite, it is important to completely dry them before reassembling. Now that they are fully dry, I have placed them back and they are good to go. And that's it for today. I will continue the rest of the cleaning the next day. The next day I resumed cleaning. Today I need to clean this kadai, which has lost its shine and turned a bit black due to regular use. For this I will be using waste lemon peels, which I always save and store in the freezer since they are super useful for cleaning. First, I will fill the kadai with water. Now I am adding 4-5 lemon peels and some detergent powder. I will let this boil for 15-20 minutes so that the acidity from the lemon peels helps loosen all the stains. While this solution is boiling, I will clean my fridge as well. For this, I am using my kitchen cleaning solution, which is 1 cup water, 1 cup vinegar and 2 spoons of dish liquid. I clean my fridge regularly so I don't need to deep clean it often. If any area gets a little dirty and we clean it on time, we don't have to put in extra effort later. If we ignore small stains and dirt, they accumulate over time, making deep cleaning more time consuming and difficult. Since my fridge is not too dirty, I am not taking out the shelves to clean them. I'll just spray the DIY solution and wipe them with the microfiber cloth. Vinegar and dish liquid work really well for cleaning. All the stuck food residues on the shelves come off easily and the glass gets a nice shine. If there is any bad odor in the fridge, vinegar helps eliminate it too. Using liners in the fridge helps keep it clean for a longer time. This same DIY cleaner works great for cleaning the fridge steel body and doors as well. Vinegar gives them a nice shine. Fridge cleaning is also a good time for food decluttering, meaning you can get rid of any expired or spoiled products. Since there wasn't much cleaning needed, I finished it quickly. Looking at a clean fridge gives a different kind of happiness and satisfaction. Do you feel the same? I'm skipping the freezer section because it is already clean. The water in kadai has been boiling for 20 minutes now and all the black residue is coming off on its own. Now I have turned off the gas and poured most of the water into the sink, leaving just a little in the kadai. Next I will add a little dish liquid and baking soda and scrub it with a mesh cloth to clean it properly. To clean the outer surface of the kadai, I will let it soak in the same solution for a while. After some time, I will scrub it in the same way and clean it. I hope you can see the difference. Lastly, we can repurpose these used lemon peels to clean the sink and tap as well. And with that, my kitchen cleaning is complete. See how easily we can clean our kitchen and home using simple items available at home. Isn't it amazing? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. And do subscribe for more such videos. I will see you all next week with another video. Until then, happy cleaning from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.